Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add 3D space transition on InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and you can add videos or photos from your gallery to InShot project. And for example, I'm just going to add some photos from my gallery. Okay, and then click on the check mark. All right, and now the photos have been added to my InShot project. And wait, I'm going to change the canvas. I'm just going to click on fit. Okay, and then it's time to add 3D space transition on InShot. We can click on the transitions option right here. Okay, and then you can scroll down until you find the 3D space. And I'm just going to apply this one because the other ones are for the pro user and I haven't subscribed to the InShot, so I can only use this free transition. If you have subscribed to InShot, you can use all these transitions for your edit. And I'm just going to use this one. And for your information, this is new update on InShot. InShot have added this 3D space transition to the application, so we can use it for our editing. Okay, and then I'm going to customize the duration. If you want to change the duration, you can play around with the slider. And if you want to apply this 3D space transition to all your clips, you can click on the double check mark and then you can select apply to all. And then the transition will be applied to all the clips or the images you have imported to the InShot. And then I'm going to check it guys. Okay, this is how the 3D transition, the 3D space transition looks like. And it's so cool, right? You'll be able to use it for your editing on InShot. And it's done. And then if you want to save the video, you can click on export and then you can choose the resolution and click on export again. Or you can continue the editing on your project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add 3D space transition on InShot video editor app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!